What's up, guys? So this is my beautiful wife who's very camera shy right now. Okay. And today we're gonna try out some Cardi B chips. We got some wrap snacks right here, wavy, and they're barbecue flavored. And I already tried out another bag, not the Cardi B ones, and they were very good. So we're gonna go ahead and try these out. I can't believe Cardi B's got her own chips. It's kind of whack, but let's try it. Go ahead and open it.
They're barbecue?
Yeah, they're barbecue.
I don't think I'm gonna make.
Say hi to the camera.
They are really good.
Where'd you get that gum? You found the gum?
They are good.
They are good, I told you. The other ones were real good. You should have tried the other one. All right. Let's look at the bag. By the way, half of it is air, so you are buying a bag of half air.
This is Isa's one?
Yeah. This is supposed to be my daughter's, but she took forever to eat it, and I couldn't wait. So don't worry, I'm gonna save her some.
Try it, they're really good.
So this is what it looks like. Oh my God.
They are. I don't like barbecue, and these ones are good.
Here's the thing. This thing is jam-packed with flavor. You ever buy some chips that are barbecue, like the Lay's or like Pringles, and you open it and you're like, man, this chip's barely got any barbecue on it. You ever do that? I bought some Pringles the other day. I opened the thing and I'm trying to lick one side and then bite the other side so that I can get some barbecue flavor. That thing ain't got no barbecue flavor. But this is overloaded in barbecue flavor. This one's like a little tiny bit burnt on one side.
It is pretty good.
But it's got a lot of flavor, man. So wrap snacks, they're real good. We can't eat them all because we gotta save some for our daughter, so that sucks. I'm gonna eat a few more though. She don't like barbecue? Good. Hopefully she comes, she tries it, she's like, I don't like it, because I'm gonna eat the rest of it. So yeah, wrap snacks, real good. I bought these at Spencer's. You know that funky adult store? Spencer's inside the malls and stuff. It's like a $2 bag, but I got it for 50% off. So it's just $1. Very good chips, packed with flavor. Not like Lace and stuff like that where they barely put any barbecue on it. Yeah, these things are good. So yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, peace. Oh, give me a kiss. Oh, give me a kiss.